Welcome to Stoic Knight, where we explore how Stoicism can transform your life, teaching you to rise above challenges, master your emotions, and thrive as a high-value individual. In today's video, we'll talk about one of the most painful yet transformative experiences, heartbreak. When someone you love deeply is no longer part of your life, it can feel like the ground has been pulled out from under you. The pain is real, but the question is, what will you do with it? Will you let it define you, or will you use it as a stepping stone to become stronger and wiser? In the next 20 minutes, we'll explore actionable strategies grounded in Stoic philosophy that will help you heal, rebuild, and even command respect after heartbreak. Whether you're struggling with the end of a toxic relationship or rediscovering yourself, this video will guide you every step of the way. 1. Acknowledge the storm. Heartbreak feels like chaos, a whirlwind of emotions that can leave you paralyzed. It's natural to feel pain, confusion, or even anger. But let me tell you, there is power in embracing this storm. The Stoics believed that we should confront life's difficulties with courage. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This means you cannot control the breakup itself, but you can control how you respond to it. Think of your emotions as a stormy sea. Ignoring them is like sailing a ship through a storm without a compass. You'll get lost. Instead, allow yourself to feel, but do so with intention. Cry if you need to. Write down your thoughts in a journal. Name your emotions as they come. This is sadness. This is anger. Naming your emotions creates distance, allowing you to process them rather than being consumed by them. Here's an exercise for today. Spend 10 minutes writing about your feelings. Don't hold back. Let your pen flow freely. At the end, read what you've written and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Turning pain into introspection is the first step toward healing. 2. The art of self-care. Heartbreak often leaves us neglecting ourselves, but Stoicism teaches that self-care is an act of discipline. You are the foundation of your own recovery, and that foundation must be strong. Start with your physical health. Are you eating well? Your body needs nourishment to rebuild your strength. Choose foods that fuel your mind like salmon, leafy greens, and nuts. These aren't just meals, they're investments in your future self. Next, focus on movement. Even if you don't feel like it, exercise can be transformative. A simple walk in nature, a high-intensity workout, or a calming yoga session can help you regain clarity. Exercise releases endorphins, your body's natural way of saying, "You've got this." Then consider your sleep. Heartbreak often keeps us awake at night, replaying memories and what-ifs. To combat this, create a bedtime routine. Shut off your screens an hour before bed. Meditate or journal to clear your mind. Remember, sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. Finally, invest in your emotional well-being. Practice mindfulness by sitting quietly for 5 minutes each day. Focus on your breathing and allow yourself to simply be. These moments of stillness will help you find balance in the chaos. 3. Reflect and learn, turning pain into power. Every breakup holds a lesson if you're willing to look for it. Instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" ask, "What is this teaching me?" Did the relationship reveal patterns in your behavior? Perhaps you compromised too much or ignored red flags. Maybe you realized you need a partner who shares your values. Take note of these insights. They are your blueprint for the future. Remember Seneca's words, "Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end." A breakup is not a failure. It's a stepping stone to becoming the best version of yourself. Reflect on the good moments. They show you what you value. Reflect on the challenges. They reveal what you need to avoid. Here's a practical step. Write 2 lists. On one, write what you appreciated about the relationship. On the other, write what didn't work. These lists are your guide for building healthier relationships in the future. 4. Setting boundaries and reclaiming respect. Healing requires space, both physically and emotionally. If you're constantly checking your ex's social media or staying in touch, you're keeping wounds open. The Stoics teach us to focus on what we can control. You can't control what your ex does, but you can control how much access they have to your life. Set clear boundaries. Block or mute their accounts if necessary, not out of spite, but as an act of self-respect. Protect your mental space like a knight defends their castle. Create an environment where you can heal without distractions or reminders of the past. This space will allow you to rebuild your confidence and clarity. 5. Set goals and reignite your purpose. Heartbreak can feel like a loss of direction, but it's also an opportunity to rediscover your purpose. What are the goals you've been neglecting? What dreams have you put on hold? Stoicism teaches us to live with intention. Start small, commit to a new hobby, enroll in a class, or focus on your career. These goals aren't just distractions, they're pathways to becoming the high-value individual you aspire to be. Here's a challenge. Write down one personal, one professional, and one health-related goal. For each, list the first small step you can take today. Remember, progress doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be consistent. 6. Lean on your tribe. Even the strongest knights need allies. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Share your thoughts with trusted friends or family, but also seek balance. While it's important to process your feelings, don't let heartbreak dominate every conversation. Instead, engage in activities with others that bring you joy. Play sports, join a book club, or volunteer. These connections will remind you that life is full of opportunities for growth and happiness. 7. Embody the Stoic Knight. Heartbreak is not the end. It's the forge where resilience is made. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By facing your emotions, caring for yourself, learning from the experience, and setting boundaries, you're not just healing, you're transforming. You're becoming the Stoic Knight, someone who commands respect, lives with purpose, and inspires others through strength. Conclusion. Breakups are tough, but they are also temporary. With the principles of Stoicism as your guide, you can emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to Stoic Knight. Let's build a community of growth, wisdom, and unshakable strength. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay resilient, and always embody the Stoic way.